Myself Reenu Shukla from GPC Jaipur. So we are now continuing the next MCQs. Last time we have discussed 25 questions. Now we move on to the 26th question. The first 26th question is the CPU removes the dash signal to complete the memory write operation. The A read, B write, C both A and B, and D none of these. To complete the memory write operation, we have to remove the read signal, because for memory write operation we need write signal. 27th question, BIU stands for A bus interface unit, B bus interface unit, A and B none of these. So answer is bus interface unit. U stands for execution unit. A answer. Which of the following four categories of registers? So general purpose registers, pointers and index register, segment register and other register, all of these. E all of this. We are talking about 8086 microprocessor. 8086 microprocessor में हमारे सभी ये registers होते हैं. 30th question, 8 of the registers are known as general purpose registers. जैसे अभी अपन ने बात की थी B C D E H L जो हमारे registers हैं, तो that is B X C X D X. तो वो हमारी total कितने registers हैं? 8. general purpose registers हमारे कितने हैं? 8 है. तो 4 index registers क्या काम में आते हैं हमारे? तो वो arithmetic operations के काम में आते हैं. A is the right answer. IP stands for instruction pointer. A is the right answer. CS stands for code segment. A is the right answer. DS stands for data segment. A is the right answer. Which are the segments? CS code segment, DS data segment, SS stack segment, ES extra segment, E all of these. So I think this question is not correct. All of these are the segment registers: code segment, data segment, stack segment and extra segment. So answer should be E. Please correct it. Answer is not D, it is E. All of these are the segment registers. 36th question, the accumulator is 16-bit wide and is called AX, right? In AX, AH and AL both are included. How many bits the instruction pointer is void? Instruction point size is also 16-bit in 8086 microprocessor. How many types of addressing in memory? So logical addressing and B physical addressing, C both A and B and D none of these. So the answer is C both A and B. दोनों तरह की addressing होती है हमारी memory में, logical और physical. The size of each segment in 8086 is A64 KB. तो हर segment की size कितनी होती है हमारी? 64 KB होती है. Dash next 40th question, the dash address of a memory is 20-bit address for the 8086 microprocessor. तो जो physical address होता है हमारी memory का वो कितना होता है हमारा? 20-bit का होता है. हमने पढ़ा था हमारी address line 8086 में 20-bit की होती है और हमारी data line 16-bit की होती है. The pin configuration of 8085 is available in 40 pin. 41 is the right answer. 42 DIP stands for dual inline package. A stands for effective address, electrical address, effect address, none of these. So A is the right answer, effective address. BP stands for base pointer. B is the right answer. DI stands for destination index, defect index, definition index, delete index. So A is the right answer, destination index. SI stands for source index. B is the right answer. ALE stands for address latch enable. A is the right answer. The next 48th question, NMI stands for non-maskable interrupt, non-mistake interrupt, C both, D none of these. A is the right answer, non-maskable interrupt. Dash is the most important segment and it contains the actual assembly language instruction to be executed by the microprocessor. तो कौन सा सेगमेंट हमारा सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है और इसमें एक्चुअली इंस्ट्रक्शंस एग्जीक्यूट करने के काम में आता है? तो कोड सेगमेंट में ऐसा होता है. कोड सेगमेंट में एक्चुअल इंस्ट्रक्शंस हम फीड करते हैं और 86 माइक्रोप्रोसेसर उसको प्रोसेस करता है. एंड द 50th क्वेश्चन, द ऑफसेट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट वेरीज फ्रॉम 00H to FFH, 000H to FFFH, 00FFH, 00000. That is B is the right answer. 000H से लेके FFFH तक हमारा जो होता है ऑफसेट वो वेरी करता है. हमारे जो 4 सेगमेंट्स होते हैं, कोड सेगमेंट, डेटा सेगमेंट, स्टैक सेगमेंट, एक्स्ट्रा सेगमेंट, तो उनका जो पूरा एड्रेस है वो 000H से लेके FFFH तक हमारा वेरी करता है. सो we have discussed another 25 questions in this video. Thank you for watching and all the best.